Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to add your headphones 1More to the application. So firstly, we should pair the headphones with a phone. So open Settings, go to Bluetooth or connected devices if you have Android. Also, if you have Android, click Pair New Device, and after that open the charging case. It should enter to prank mode automatically, but if it doesn't, just press 4 times on this connection button at the back side of the charging case. So 1, 2, 3, and it should enter to prank mode. Now click on it at the device list. And hide the settings. Open the application. And it find it automatically. Now choose your product color. I have a dark one, so I click here. If you have white, click just at the top here. And then click OK. Now skip it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!